We're in Vik, Iceland, and enjoying a nice cup of coffee. Thank you for making this, Cailey. It's beautiful here.
No problem.
What are you doing?
Trying to bandage my toe.
What should we name that thing? What are you gonna name it? It needs a name. We'll figure that out on this hike. Cailey, how many times has the van swallowed up something?
The sunglasses.
Yeah, sunglasses,
Coffee
the
cup.
fucking coffee cup, socks, batteries, cameras, chargers, the hotspot, spare phones. It's like a fucking vortex for getting everything lost.
My contacts.
Your contacts, well, let's be honest, you couldn't find them because you couldn't see them. The famous Black Beach near Vik, Iceland. And you know what? That makes me happy because I can pronounce that town. Vik. Me and Cailey split up. I flew the drone. I probably better go find her. She will be headed back to the van. I have the keys. She usually likes to have the keys. So we will find her. And I think those were some good drone shots. What do you think? Check it out. Let me know. I love Iceland. How was your meal?
Delicious.
Ooh, it's gone. It must be good because you ate it. Cailey's gonna be pissed at me. I always have the keys and she always wants to go back to the car just a little bit early, but I take my total time here making time lapses. I'm in deep trouble. That's better. Take a quick hike up that. This thing's not steep at all. God damn, this thing is steep. Like, steep. Well, I made it up here. It's beautiful. That's the way down. Beautiful hike. Actually a steep mofo and a beautiful view. On the way to this campground, there's a cool rest area. I had to hang out with these dudes on top of it because for some reason it's set up with a platform on it. And I was able to look at the new DJI Mavic Air Pro 3, whatever the hell it is, but it's the one I want. I will be buying that. I bought the wrong fucking camera. There's no wide angle. Like, I got this held out almost as far as I can. The mic seems to work pretty good. The Sony ZV-1, that's all right, but I could use a little better zoom. And I did enough research to where I knew that it wasn't going to be that great of zoom. But in my way of thinking, I thought, all right, I'll get this camera. It'll work really good. It'll be a good beginner. But it's 850 bucks, yada, yada, yada. It's fucking expensive. It comes with this little Bluetooth handheld tripod type deal. And it's great. It's absolutely great. But what I think is better is a way better zoom and a way better wide angle lens. Other than that, the camera is absolutely fucking awesome. But the fixed lens, I fucking knew better. I kept telling myself, oh, you don't need that. You don't need that. And I know from the past that if you just fucking get what you want, you won't waste $850 or $1,000 or $2,000. Get the fucking camera you want with the lenses you want, spend the fucking money, and be happy with what you get. I'm happy with this, but it could be better. And I know where I'm lacking, and it's literally another $1,000 or $2,000, and I have the fucking creme de la crop fucking camera.